Hello, my name is Jared. You're watching 3D HP. Pretty cool intro, I like that. Anyway, today I want to talk about updating your Ender 3 V2 firmware. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. There have been people that have just received this printer, and prior to the release of the firmware version 1.0.1, they've had issues. When they've been printing, they would go to their print settings and they would change some things, and then the print would screw up, and they're like, what's going on? So Creality came out with a newer version. But I'm going to show you what you have to do. Step 1, you grab your little SD card reader here that came with your printer. You come over to your printer, and here on the left, on the front of it, you'll see the SD card. You simply click that in, it will pop out. You take your SD card, you turn it over to where you can see the text on it. Take your SD card reader, on one side it'll have a little gray symbol. You simply slide it in, just like that. Then take your micro SD card reader on a little USB stick, take it over to your computer and stick it in. Then we'll move on. Step 2, go to Creality.com in your web browser. Come over to Support, click Download. Once in Downloads, you scroll down to Firmware. Here's the Ender series right here. Click on that. Scroll down to Ender 3 V2. And on August 6th of 2020, the latest version is version 1.0.1. I currently have 1.0.1. It was shipped with my printer, and I do not need to update. I have the newest version. If you do not, and you have an older number, click on that to download it. Go to your directory where you downloaded the file. Right here is the file. Right click on the file, extract all the files. Once you do that, you'll have a folder like this. Open the folder inside, and right here you'll have a .bin file, ender3.bin. Copy that file to your SD card. Take it out of your computer. Step 3, take out the micro SD card out of your card reader. Put it back in your printer, upside down so that wording and text is down. Click it, it will click in place. Reach behind your printer, turn it back on. And as soon as you turn the printer back on, the screen will boot up, and it will reflash the firmware, and boom, you're done. And then you can go back to Info, push the button, and it'll tell you new version number. Since mine was already updated, I didn't need to do it, so I have the current version, which is 1.0.1. And it's that simple. That's how easy it is to update your firmware. So when Creality comes out with any future versions, it's that simple. You download it, unzip it, put it on the bin file, pop it in the computer, boom, you're done. 1, 2, 3, 3 easy steps. Anybody that wants to make changes, let's say you want to add an easy ABL or a filament runout sensor to this, or change your bed size. The bed size, as it is, it's 220 by 220. You can increase it to its very outer limits, be 235 by 235, but to do that, you would need to download Visual Code Studio and PlatformIO. Then you go to Marlin's GitHub page, and they do have the firmware file on there, so you can download and you can edit yourself. So you can go into configuration.h and advanced.h and make the necessary changes to add a filament runout sensor, an easy ABL, change the bed size, or anything else you might want to tweak or play with. That can all be done there. I'm not covering that in this video today. This is basically just to let you know how to update your firmware. It's 3 easy steps, wham, bam, done, that quick. So I wanted to, there'll be links in the description below for everything I've talked about today. Please like and subscribe, and if you're looking for some great deals from Creality, I have links below to Creality, ZYLTECH, Sunlu, TH3D. Their discount coupons. They're all affiliate links, so I get a small percentage. It costs you nothing. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and thanks everybody, and happy printing.